Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading, and I'm just going to update you guys really quickly on my morning so far. Nothing crazy, but we were able to grab a quick 50 bucks. All right. Is it going to change my life? No, but there were opportunities given. If you know technical analysis, this is something that I do every single trade. There is not one trade that I take without doing technical analysis. So going in to the overnight futures and seeing price kind of stuck around this area. We were going up to 150s, dropping down to 144, going back up, back down, back up, back down. This is a clear pattern. All I'm waiting for at this point is for a level to break. We saw that coming in at 6 a.m. here. It broke through this previous level that it wasn't able to. And then we started to go up. Now, this is where it gets important. Before jumping into a trade, you need to know the trend that is currently going on with whatever you're trading. Always look back at previous days. You know, when we post on Discord and I post my daily key levels on the SPY, the ES, which is what I'm trading here, or the Qs, it's always from a 90-day, 1 hour, a 20-day, 30-minute. It's always from a bigger time frame. And we have trend lines that I draw out. And, these are things that you need to know where there might be possible resistance and possible support. So you can see here on the futures, we were seeing support in yesterday's trading session, which was a very choppy session. This is something you don't really want to trade. And if you're trading the SPY options, this is also a day that you might want to take off. This is called choppy trading. So after the bell, we took off in after hours right up to the trend line and then dropped. We had the Asian Open, the London Open. This is all the Globex trading that goes on overnight. This morning, we come in and we crash against that trend line again. These are opportunities to take a short position, decent moves. Each one of these points is $50. So when I'm looking to scalp in the pre-market, I feel like it's really lower risk because it's not moving as fast and I could manage my risk really well and just look for those quick points. On this particular trade, I only risked 1 tick down to make 4 ticks up. That's a very good risk to reward. So 1 tick down, 4 up. That's exactly what this trade gave me. But it's all on technicals. It's all on key levels. This key level 4660, this goes back, even before this day. But it's just nice to know where there might be some resistance. And like I said, we post these key levels every morning over in Discord. So if you guys ever wanted to check that out, you're more than welcome. So, just to reiterate here, one trade, $50. So not too bad. Canceled a bunch of orders, was not liking the way that some of these things were going, and just totally got out. So that's all I look for, is just sometimes, one good trade to, make a decent amount of money. Now, obviously, this is part-time, so I wouldn't be living on $50 a day. There's some days where I make more. There's some days where I make less. But overall, trading part-time, it's a very good way to, increase your income. And that's what we're doing here. And it's all using technical analysis and our Discord community. It's just one big group that, all puts their minds together and we come up with pretty good ideas. So if you guys are interested, like I said, the link will be in the description. And looking at pre-market gappers this morning, I wasn't overall liking any of these. You can see here, MITQ is starting to push up. So this to me, if I was going to be trading it, looks pretty decent. Good float. Let's see the catalyst. Moving image higher. All right, so it's based off earnings, I guess, yesterday. All right, I mean, the float alone can make this thing move. The catalyst on earnings, I don't really care. But the float alone being low and, kind of fresh here at 8:05 a.m. is when it started to really go. It could give you a trade or two. Now, what I would do is I would look at the charts. I would go to the daily. This is before, any trade would be taken. And I would take a look at the daily chart, which doesn't go back that far. So this is a recent, I don't know if it's an IPO or a new listing or whatever it is, but you have, you can see here the high is 27.30, and then it just sold off totally all the way to $4 and then to $2. So you are gapping up this morning to 370. I mean, okay, whatever. But it does have a low float, so these could move. It's not something that I would just totally throw away and not look at. It is moving. It's giving some decent moves. And like I said, when I scalp, I'm looking for, 10 cents, 20 cents. Well, it's giving you that. It's giving you that. It's setting up some pretty nice bull flags here on the 5-minute. It looks like it's a little choppy. And then you have right here at 4:15 will be your next area of resistance, which is what we went up to in the after hours yesterday. So that's it. How much room does it have? It depends on who wants to trade this thing. If Ross Cameron starts to trade it and he gets his thousands of traders to trade it, then maybe it moves more. Or maybe we just wait for new news. So guys, that's it. Just really quickly wanted to come on, give you guys the update. I'm not going to be actively trading anymore today. I have so many things to do, but that's, $50, not too bad. And we'll move on with the rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.